Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Cucumber. My scientific name is Cucumis sativus. I belong to the gourd family. I am believed to be native to India and have been cultivated for thousands of years. Now I grow in various parts of the world. China, Turkey, and Russia are the top producers of cucumber. I can have green, yellow, orange, white, or brown skin. I can be small and round, or elongated, or very long and snake-like, or anything in between. There are two main types of cucumbers: slicing cucumbers, which are eaten fresh, and pickling cucumbers, which are used for pickling. There are nearly 100 different types of cucumbers. Here are some popular cucumber types from around the world. English cucumber, also known as seedless or hothouse cucumber. It has a thin, tender skin and a mild, sweet taste. Persian cucumber, small and slender, with a delicate skin, crunchy texture, and a slightly sweet flavor. Japanese cucumber, often used in sushi and salads. It is long, slender, and has a refreshing, crisp taste. Lemon cucumber, named for its round, yellow appearance. It has a citrusy flavor and is perfect for snacking. Armenian cucumber, long and twisted, with a mild, nutty flavor and a thin, edible skin. Pickling cucumber, short and bumpy, ideal for making pickles, due to its crunchy texture and excellent absorption of flavors. Kirby cucumber, small and firm, commonly used for pickling and known for its excellent crunch. Burpless cucumber, with fewer seeds and a thin skin, it's less likely to cause indigestion or burping after eating. Thai snake cucumber, long and slender, used in Asian cuisine and has a slightly bitter taste. Indian dosai cucumber, yellow-green in color, used in Indian cooking for its tangy flavor and firm texture. I am a refreshing vegetable with numerous benefits. I hydrate your body, keeping you refreshed. I'm low in calories, aiding in weight management. I contain antioxidants, promoting skin health. My fiber aids digestion and supports a healthy gut. I'm rich in vitamins and minerals, boosting immunity. My silica enhances hair and nail strength. I help reduce inflammation with my anti-inflammatory properties. I assist in detoxification, purifying your body. I contribute to heart health by reducing blood pressure. I contain most nutrients in my skin, so eat me with it on. I have cucurbitacin, which gives some of us a slightly bitter taste. I soothe and hydrate, making me ideal for skincare products. Chew me after eating garlic or onion, and I'll freshen breath and reduce odor. I am a creeping vine, able to climb on trellises. My mild diuretic effect helps flush out toxins. I am a fruit with seeds, developing from a flower. Placing my slices on closed eyelids can remedy puffy eyes. I am used in various beauty treatments for skin nourishment. I can reduce swelling and irritation from insect bites. Eating cucumber with meals can cause indigestion for some people. In fact, it is best to eat cucumber before meals as it works as an appetizer due to its high fiber content. I am eaten before lunch on empty stomach. As an appetizer, I enhance appetite. They say, cool as a cucumber, referring to my calmness, possibly from John Gay's poem. I'm a versatile ingredient, adding flavor and nutrition to various dishes. My versatility adds a crisp and mild flavor to dishes worldwide. Embrace me and enjoy my goodness. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.